Today we're diving deep into the FiFine M9 wireless lavalier microphone system, a dual microphone setup that promises professional audio quality at just around $80. FiFine sent this product to me and asked for a review, but still I will share to you guys my honest review covering unboxing, build quality, real-world performance indoor and outdoor, and let's see how it stacks up against the popular Lavalier M2. Can this budget-friendly option deliver professional results? Let's find out. But first, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews and updates. Right out of the box, the FiFine M9 makes a solid first impression with professional packaging and a comprehensive accessory package. You get two lightweight wireless transmitters, one compact receiver, a premium hard carrying case, and 3 adapter cables for Android, iPhone, and cameras, plus furry windshields for outdoor recording. The included charging case is a standout feature you rarely see at this price point, offering both protection and portability for content creators on the move. The design feels surprisingly refined for a budget system. The transmitters are compact and lightweight with secure clip-on attachments. On this side, you will find button for Bluetooth pairing, activate the noise cancellation with LED indicator, mute button, and on top is the microphone. While the receiver features a clear display showing volume level, signal strength, and recording modes. Here are the headphone audio outputs, pairing button with mono and stereo switch button, giving you flexibility in post-production, power button here, and volume control. The transmitter and receiver both having Type-C port, so you can charge this alone, which is perfect for long session recording. Build quality is solid throughout, with the charging case featuring a satisfying magnetic closure and construction that suggests these microphones can handle daily use. The 3 included cables ensure compatibility with virtually any device, making this system incredibly versatile for creators working across multiple platforms. The FiFine M9 delivers impressive audio performance that punches well above its weight class. With -38 decibels sensitivity and maximum sound pressure level capability up to 110 decibels, these microphones capture clear, detailed audio across various recording environments. Now let's put it in action comparing the audio output side by side with the Lavalier M2. Now let's try it indoor. I'm here in my conference room, so basically I'm using this DJI Osmo Pocket built-in microphone. Alright, and now let's try this FiFine M9. Alright, now so this is the microphone audio of FiFine M9 indoor. Alright, and this is the noise cancellation is off. Now let's switch it on. And this is the microphone test of FiFine M9. Noise cancellation is on. Sound check. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So guys, what do you think? And for comparison, this is the audio output of Lavalier M2. So guys, what do you think? Did you find a difference? Comment down below. Alright, now let's try this microphone outdoor. So as you can see, I'm here in the park and there are so many cars here and there's some noises, right? So let's check if the audio quality of this microphone is great in outdoor. So again, this is the microphone of my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and let's check it out. Alright, so finally this is the FiFine M9 and again we are outside and we're checking the outdoor microphone audio. So the noise cancellation is off. Alright, sound check 1 2 3, and as you can see, I think you're heard so many cars guys in the background. Now let's on the noise cancellation. Alright, so this is the noise cancellation activated in FiFine M9. Sound check 1 2 3 1 2 3. So guys, what do you think? Alright, right now I'm using this Lavalier M2 without noise cancellation off. Alright, and now let's on the noise cancellation. Alright, this is the microphone of Lavalier M2, noise cancellation activated. So what do you think guys? Now you heard the audio quality of both microphones, right? The omnidirectional pickup pattern captures voices with excellent clarity, while the built-in noise cancellation effectively reduces background noise and ambient sounds without affecting the primary audio source. In real-world testing, the results were consistently impressive with clear voice reproduction and minimal handling noise. The wireless range performs as advertised, maintaining a strong connection up to 50 meters, perfect for dynamic recording situations where you need freedom of movement. Battery performance is exceptional, with each transmitter providing up to 6 hours of continuous recording time and the charging case extending total usage to 30 hours. This means multiple days of recording without power management concerns. The USB-C charging case features clear battery indicators and takes approximately 2 hours for a full charge cycle, with quick charging support for those grab-and-go situations. At less than $80, this represents outstanding value in the wireless microphone market. Now, here is my final verdict. The FiFine M9 wireless microphone system delivers exceptional value at around $80. That's genuinely hard to beat. The combination of solid build quality, impressive audio performance with noise reduction, 30-hour battery life, and comprehensive accessories creates a package that competes with systems costing significantly more. It's perfect for content creators, podcasters, and videographers who need professional audio quality without premium pricing, making it ideal for those starting their audio journey or professionals seeking a reliable backup system. For anyone seeking excellent wireless audio recording capabilities without breaking the bank, the FiFine M9 deserves serious consideration and earns my strong recommendation for value-conscious creators. If you want to try this for your vlogging journey, I will put the purchase link in the description below with best deal they could offer. That wraps up my review of the FiFine M9. Let me know in the comments which aspect impressed you most. If this helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!